We just finished testing this power controller. This is a mixed technology double-sided PCBA board. The biggest challenge is if we use manual soldering, we will cause low efficiency and inconsistent quality. But with our selective wave soldering system, we can solve both problems. We can program each solder joint individually, adjust flux volume, soldering time, wave height, and contact position. If your electronic products need high quality, repeatable soldering with complex boards, just leave a message. This is Sunny. Let's talk.